I'll be waiting here at the train station as a pharaoh epinologist. But first, let me suggest a situation at the station. I met Jason Statham, and I told him you wanted to meet him. Yeah, as a pharaoh epinologist. Yeah. I'll be waiting for the train, getting back and forth, off and on in the rain. As I watch them shut the door, I know there's more. I feel the pain of getting pummeled, bundle pack of rain, hail, and even thunder. I wonder if I can get out of this. I just need a train to take me home. I wish this could have never happened. I was glad, and now I'm not so happy getting wet from water falling from the sky. And then I think about the train station and decide to run inside and hide from this torrential, geological, harmful storm. So I walk inside and...
It's much better in here. I haven't felt this way in more than a year. More than a year. There are so many locomotives in here with coal and explosive engine is near, but I don't seem to care as long as I am out of the fear of rain and pain. I see a train called the Big Boy, which was created by Phineas L. Troy.
Phineas L. Troy.
Phineas L. Troy.
Phineas L. Troy.
Phineas L. Troy. The train station is so much fun. Even all the trains, not a single one is broken by anything. Not even the sun.